Hello everyone, I am Mrs. Viola Ogwede, CEO of Vios Cakes and More. I'm excited to tell you about our upcoming cake training class happening on 1st to 31st of July 2025. This training is for beginners and advanced bakers, whether you are just starting up or you have been in the field for a long time. In this class, you are going to learn how to bake different types of cakes, including how to decorate with whipping cream, buttercream, chocolate ganache, and so many more. With 23 years of professional baking experience, I will bring to your knowledge different tricks, secret recipes, and unique expertise in order to achieve your desired goals in your baking journey. In this class, you're also going to be learning how to make luxury wedding cakes, castle cakes, sugar flowers, handbag cakes, so many of it. By the end of this class, I promise you, you will be grounded when it comes to anything about cake, and you will be able to stand firm running your own cake business. There is something you must know. This is going to be the cheapest class you come across, because beginners and advanced class is normally not taken together. And in this class, you're going to learn everything from A to Z. Trust me, you will be so happy you attended the class. Don't miss this chance. It's a great opportunity. To register or ask questions, send us a message today. I can't wait to see you in class.